Meet Adam. He's 36, but lately he's been feeling much older. His energy crashes by afternoon. His skin looks tired. No matter how much coffee he drinks, his brain stays foggy. Doctors say he's fine, but he knows something's off. What Adam didn't know is that aging begins deep inside, at the cellular level. In this video, I'll show you 5 science-based steps Adam used to reverse early aging, and you can too. Step 1. Activate mitochondria, intermittent fasting. Step 1. Activate your mitochondria with intermittent fasting. Fasting triggers your cells to build new mitochondria, the engines of your energy. Adam started eating in an 8-hour window. Within weeks, his energy came back and focus improved. Step 2. Polyphenols for oxidative stress. Step 2. Fight oxidative stress with polyphenols. These natural compounds, found in green tea, turmeric, and berries, protect your cells from aging. Adam added them to his diet, and inflammation went down while his skin and mind cleared up. Step 3. Boost melatonin. Naturally. Step 3. Boost melatonin to improve cellular repair. Melatonin helps you sleep, but it also protects your DNA. Adam blocked blue light in the evening and added magnesium. He started sleeping deeply again. Step 4. Stimulate autophagy with cold and heat. Step 4. Trigger autophagy with cold and heat. Cold showers and sauna sessions help your body remove old, damaged cells. Adam added 3 cold showers and 2 sauna sessions weekly. His skin and mood improved fast. Step 5. Balance hormones with smart movement. Step 5. Balance your hormones with smart exercise. High-intensity training and resistance workouts boost growth hormone and testosterone. Adam trained 4 to 5 days a week, and it changed everything: his body, his brain, and his confidence. Final message. Adam didn't need magic pills. He reversed aging by working with his biology, not against it. Which step will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Dr. Habits, and your youth isn't gone, it's just waiting to be activated.